No. But this is the first time she's ever tried this. Oh, yummy. You trying to get away from me? Yummy. Here, take a bite. It's so good. Yummy. You're not a big fan? Honey, they're good. You trying to gag them out?
I don't think she thinks so.
Here, open up. Aw, you don't love them? It's so good.
Ella, is that delicious?
Oh my.
This is like torture. You might as well just stop.
Oh, babe.